Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the domain name on your Weebly website so you can refresh your studio identity, align your site with your latest technical software tutorials, and ensure your 2026 professional brand remains sharp and accessible. Let's get into it. First, access your general settings. The first step is entering the technical heart of your site. In 2026, Weebly requires you to initiate your studio brand identity through the site's core configuration panel. Log in to your Weebly dashboard, click Edit Site, and then select the Settings tab from the top navigation menu. Ensure you are in the General section on the left sidebar. You cannot change your address until you've defined your primary site parameters. This ensures your software tutorials are built on a stable, professional 2026 framework. Next, initiate the domain setup. Before your site can live at a custom address, you must first technically establish which domain you want to represent your studio. Look for the Site Address section and click the Setup or Change button. A pop-up will appear. You must choose from the available professional pathways: register a new domain, use a domain you already own, or use a free subdomain. In 2026, most creators select Use a domain you already own to keep their high-end market analysis consistent across platforms. This mechanical necessity links your external brand directly to your Weebly backend. Next, select your professional plan. In 2026, connecting a custom domain is a studio feature that requires an upgraded technical tier. Once you enter your desired domain name, Weebly will prompt you to select a plan. Choose the professional plan that best fits your 2026 bookkeeping and video production needs. High-end plans often include free SSL and advanced site statistics for your technical guides. Custom domain mapping is a premium service. Selecting a plan unlocks the ability to remove amateur quality branding and fully professionalize your 2026 storefront. Once your domain is active and verified, you have the professional freedom to modify your site address again if your brand evolves. To make future changes, simply return to the same general settings navigation you used in Step 1. Click Change next to your active site address. Since your professional plan is already active, you can swap to a different domain or subdomain without going through the plan selection process again. And that's pretty much it. To change your domain in 2026, start in General Settings and click Setup. Choose your domain option and select a paid plan to unlock custom domain features. Once your domain is active and verified, you can always return to the same General Settings menu to update or change your address as your technical software tutorial brand grows. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.